Hi there. Welcome back to Daily English with Diana. So, imagine this. You are back from the trip. You are home, relaxed, scrolling through your phone. You open your bank app, and then suddenly, wait, what's this charge? I didn't buy anything from that store. Oh, your heart skips a beat. You look again, and yep, it's real. Your credit card was hacked. Yup, it's scary. It's frustrating. And it happened to me too. So, in today's episode, we are learning what to say in clear, simple English when your card has been used without your permission. Let's get into it. How to ask for help. Let's go through some useful sentences together, and I will explain the important words along the way. Number 1. Hi, I saw a charge I don't recognize. Hi, I saw a charge I don't recognize. Recognize, R-E-C-O-G-N-I-Z-E, R-E-C-O-G-N-I-Z-E, recognize. If you recognize something, it means you know it. You remember it. I recognize that name means I've seen it before. If you don't recognize a charge, it means something's wrong. Number 2. I think someone used my car without my permission. I think someone used my car without my permission. Permission. P-E-R-M-I-S-S-I-O-N. P-E-R-M-I-S-S-I-O-N. Permission. Permission means someone gave you the okay to do something. If you didn't say yes, that's a big problem. Number 3. Can you block my card? Can you block my card? Block. B-L-O-C-K. Block. B-L-O-C-K. To block a card means to stop it from working. This keeps the bad guys from using it again. Number 4. I need to dispute this charge. I need to dispute this charge. Dispute. D-I-S-P-U-T-E. D-I-S-P-U-T-E. Dispute. To dispute something means to say, no, I didn't do that. It's like saying, please take a second look. That wasn't me. Number 5. Please freeze my account until we figure this out. Please freeze my account until we figure this out. To freeze an account means to stop all activity. No more shopping and no more payments. Think of it like pressing pause on your money. These phrases are not too strong, but they are clear. You can use them when talking to a person at the bank, say them on the phone, or write them in an email or a chat message. Basically, they help you stay calm and sound smart. Alright, I want to share my real experience. Let me tell you how I felt. Honestly, I was freaking out. I was still in Europe. I had just come back to my hotel, opened my bank app, and checked something. And boom! 3 charges. Big ones. In a place I hadn't even visited. My hands started shaking. My heart was pounding. I literally said out loud, "What the heck is this?" I was in a foreign country. Everything felt harder, scarier. But I knew I had to act fast and speak clearly. So I called the bank and said, "Hi, I just saw some charges I don't recognize. I think someone used my card without permission. Can you block the card and freeze my account? I need to dispute those right now. I was nervous. My voice was shaking, but the bank staff understood me. And because I had the right words, I got help quickly. Okay, quick review. Let's go over the key phrases one more time. Number 1, I saw a chart I don't recognize. I saw a chart I don't recognize. Number 2, someone used my card without my permission. Someone used my card without my permission. Number 3, please block my card. Please block my card. Number 4, I want to dispute this charge. I want to dispute this charge. Number 5, can you freeze my account? Can you freeze my account? These sentences can really help when something unexpected happens, especially when you are far from home. Learn them now so you will be ready later. That's it for today. Have you ever had a strange charge on your card? Maybe while you were traveling, or even just sitting at home. Let me know. I'd love to hear your story. And remember, English isn't just for fun. Sometimes it's for real life. Take care, stay safe, and I will see you in the next episode. Bye-bye!